How to use outfit codes in Roblox. First thing you need to do is to hop into roblox.com and log into your account. When you're in the main page of Roblox, click the Marketplace option above. Now here, let's try to access another outfit. Next, go over to the URL section of your web browser, and you'll see the link here that says roblox.com/catalog. Then an ID and the name of the outfit. Take note that the number here is the ID of that outfit, or simply the outfit code they provide. So to use this outfit code, first, simply copy the outfit code, then go over to the URL section of your browser. Then remove all the words and numbers after the catalog and put /, then paste the outfit code and hit enter. It will automatically go to that specific outfit. And there you go. You can now acquire that outfit by clicking the buy button.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.